Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. This is Homeboy Photography, and today we're going to be talking about the Fujifilm, and this is, as we can see here, the FinePix XP130, and as you can see, it's a little bit beat up. I took a trip to Mexico and I just needed a quick backup camera. For those curious, right now I'm using the Nikon D500 as my main camera, but I was going to a place that I've never been to before and I didn't feel like taking my camera there, so I just needed a quick backup. And I knew I was going to be in caves underwater, so I wanted to have just a quick, affordable backup camera in case I just completely destroy it. I'm not too worried about, damaging the bank too much. So as you can tell, there's a lot of scratches here. I definitely put this thing to use. I definitely like it. It was definitely rugged, even though it is scratched and pretty beat up. It did the job, and I used it in water. I used it on waterfalls. I used it on a river, and I used it in a cave. And it worked out really well. I was kind of concerned because the cave had natural hot springs that are hot water, so I was kind of concerned of, whether it can handle the temperatures and things like that, but it actually worked out pretty well, and the pictures came out amazing, and I definitely recommend it. I'm going to be posting a link below so you can check out the price as well as the specs on it. I'm not too big on being too detailed with the specs because I rather show you the pictures so you can see for yourself and see if it's worth making the purchase. That is how I shop. I actually like finding videos of people actually using the gear so I can see with my own eyes the quality of pictures that are being posted with that gear. And obviously not everybody's a photographer. Some people use it for personal use, some people use it for professional use, some people use it just just to have something better than a camera on a phone. But for me, I just needed something to go and, take a swim, just explore, not worry about it either being lost, stolen, or destroyed on a river. So under $350 is the price that I was looking for, and this was that camera that I ended up going with. So with that said, I'm going to be sharing some pictures that I took out in Mexico, all types, landscapes, close-ups, portrait shots, things like that. And you can see for yourself to see if it's worth making the purchase for this camera. I definitely recommend it. There's going to be a link below, so if you decide to read the reviews, check out the specs, you can go and do that there. If you have any questions on the camera, please post a comment. I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And by the way, these pictures that you're seeing here were taken in the state of Hidalgo, Mexico. So check it out. If you like them, I'll give you more details on that as well.